Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best water play table is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys you can get for your kids during the warmer months, offering endless hours of fun and sensory exploration right in your backyard. Imagine your little ones giggling with delight as they splash, pour, and create their own watery adventures, developing crucial motor skills and imaginative play without ever needing to leave the comfort of home. This isn't just a toy, it's an invitation to explore the wonders of water, fostering creativity and providing a refreshing escape from the heat, making it an essential addition to any family's outdoor entertainment lineup. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad and Sprinkler. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable while your little one plays. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool designed for children 12 months and older. Create endless summer adventures with its fun fountain sprinklers. Keep your children cool and safe with our parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalates-free, ensuring quality fun. We believe in the power of play for healthy development. This product offers both educational elements and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help. What we like? This one is designed for learning through play. If you are looking for a way to combine educational activities with water fun, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want their little ones to soak up some knowledge while staying cool. What people say. The water table has a large capacity and can hold a lot of water, which is great for extended play. It features multiple levels and activities, keeping kids engaged for hours. The design is sturdy and well-made, with smooth edges that are safe for children. Number 4. Step 2 Rain Showers Splash Pond Water Table. Transform your backyard into a mini water park with this fun water table. It's perfect for endless summer enjoyment. Use the large bucket to scoop water and pour it into the top tray. Watch as the rainfall effect activates and splashes into the pond below. As the water drains, it activates spinners, ramps, and buckets. This creates exciting cause and effect play. Rearrange the maze pieces to design new waterfalls. It's a great way to encourage STEM learning through hands-on exploration. Kids can create a spinning splash with the handheld wheel. They can also use the side flipper to send figures back into the pond for more excitement. Keeping it clean is a breeze. You can easily use disinfectant wipes or household cleaners whenever needed, so playtime can continue. What we like? This table offers a fantastic interactive experience with its cascading waterfall and maze-like spinners. If your child enjoys exploring cause and effect and loves hands-on play, this is an excellent option for stimulating their curiosity. What people say. The water table has a large capacity, holding plenty of water for multiple children to play with simultaneously. It features a dual-level design with a ramp, allowing water to flow from the upper level to the lower level, creating a fun waterfall effect. The table comes with various accessories, including boats, cups, and a water wheel, which enhance the play experience and encourage imaginative play. Number 3. Step 2 Tropical Rainforest Kids Water Table. Get ready for endless outdoor adventures. This water table is perfect for little ones to splash, pour, and discover. It's designed with fun rainforest details to ignite their imagination. This set comes with 13 exciting accessories, including cute squishy toys. Watch the water flow and activate different features, teaching them about cause and effect in a fun way. Its large size means multiple children can play together, fostering social skills and sharing. It can even hold up to 5 gallons of water for extended playtime. When playtime is done, simply use the plug for easy drainage. Cleaning is a breeze, ensuring a sanitary play environment for your little ones. Crafted with durable, double-walled plastic, this toy is built to withstand years of play. The vibrant colors are designed to stay bright and won't fade or chip. What we like? With its molded-in rainforest details and ample space for multiple children, this table is perfect for fostering imaginative play and social skills. If you have a group of kids who love to play together and create their own adventures, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The water table has a large capacity and holds a good amount of water, allowing for extended play. It features multiple levels and activities, such as a water wheel and a pouring spout, which keep children engaged. The design is sturdy and durable, made from thick plastic that can withstand outdoor elements and rough play. Number 2. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Sand and Water Table. Discover a versatile play table that transforms from a picnic spot to a sand or water activity center. Simply remove the top to reveal 2 spacious bins for endless fun. Make sunny days even better with this outdoor essential. It's the ideal spot for kids to enjoy lunch, engage in creative play, and learn together. Keep your little one comfortable with the adjustable umbrella. Easily move it up or down to provide the perfect amount of shade throughout the day. Built with high-quality, natural hemlock wood, this table is designed for years of enjoyment. It's crafted to be safe and sturdy for up to 4 children. Rest assured, this table is designed with treated, BPA-free wood, meeting federal safety standards. It's ready for countless hours of safe, imaginative play. What we like? This versatile option doubles as a picnic table and a sand or water play station, complete with an adjustable umbrella for sun protection. If you're looking for a multifunctional piece of outdoor furniture that can serve for meals and play, this is an ideal pick for sunny days. What people say. The table is sturdy enough for children, stable, and has lovely features: storage, umbrella, play bins. Unbelievably sturdy for a kid's item, real wood, not the particle board or plastic. Comes with the 2 basins and we put water in one and sand in the other, and our 2-year loves it. The wood is sturdy and well made. The 2 removable trays are great for sand and water play, and cleanup is a breeze. When the top is on, it functions as a regular picnic table, perfect for snacks or crafts. The umbrella provides nice shade, and each bench holds our little ones comfortably. Number 1. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Kids Picnic Table with Umbrella. Discover the versatility of this amazing table. It easily transforms from a picnic spot to a sand or water play area, offering endless entertainment. Make sunny days even better with this outdoor essential. It's the ideal spot for meals, games, and learning adventures outside. Keep your child comfortable with the adjustable umbrella. Easily change its position to provide the perfect amount of shade as they play. Crafted from high-quality, natural wood, this table is designed for durability and safety. It's built to withstand years of fun and meals. This sturdy table comfortably seats up to 4 children. It's perfect for sharing snacks, playing together, or enjoying outdoor meals. Rest assured, it's made with treated, BPA-free wood, meeting federal safety standards. Your child can enjoy safe, worry-free fun for years. What we like? This product offers a similar 3-in-1 functionality, transforming from a picnic table to a sand or water play area with an umbrella. If you appreciate sturdy, natural wood construction and need a piece that accommodates multiple children for both dining and play, this is a solid choice. What people say. The table is sturdy enough for children, stable, and has lovely features: storage, umbrella, play bins. Unbelievably sturdy for a kid's item, real wood, not the particle board or plastic. Comes with the 2 basins and we put water in one and sand in the other, and our 2-year loves it. Heavy enough the wind doesn't move it, and perfect height for 2-5+. The wood is sturdy and well made. The 2 removable trays are great for sand and water play, and cleanup is a breeze. When the top is on, it functions as a regular picnic table, perfect for snacks or crafts. The umbrella provides nice shade, and each bench holds our little ones comfortably. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.